come to the next topic to find the ratio of pure orbitals and hybrid orbitals. Pure orbitals and hybrid orbitals. There is a trick there to find the number of hybrid orbitals and number of pure orbitals. Sum of all the hybrid orbitals on all atom is called the hybrid orbitals. Number of pure orbitals is nothing but number of bond other than carbon atom plus 2 into number of pi bond. The rule is number of bond other than carbon atom plus 2 into number of pi bonds. So don't consider carbon-carbon bond. Consider only carbon and hydrogen bond. Let us see the examples. C2H6. A ratio of hybridized orbital is HO and pure orbital PO. So step 1, CH3, you just write a Lewis structure. CH, H, H. Then CH, H, all the three, you just separate and write a CH3, CH3 and CH3. CH3 single bond, CH3 is called C2H6. Single bond carries sp3 hybridization. Just you see, you take your finger and keep on carbon, and around carbon, how many atoms are attached you see. Around this carbon, 1, 2, 3 and 4 atoms are attached. So 4 means sp3 hybridization. So less 1 we should say sp3. So it is called as a 4 atoms are arranged. So hybridization is sp3. S1, P3, totally 4. Single bond means sp3. Double bond means sp2. Triple bond means sp hybridization. Easily you can remember. So here sp3, 4. Here sp3, 4. So it is nothing but 4 plus 4, 8. Hybridized orbitals are 8. Next, step 2. Number of bond other than carbon-carbon. We should not consider carbon-carbon bonds. We should consider only carbon-hydrogen bond plus 2 into number of pi bonds. We'll give the pure orbitals. So let us see this. No pi bond. I mean number of pi bonds. So this is, see this HO ratio. I mean here number of bond other than CC bond. How many bond? CH bond 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 CH bond plus 2. Rule as per the rule plus 2. And number of pi bond. Pi bond means double bond. So there is no pi bond at all here. So number of pi bond is 0. So here 0. So 6 plus 2 into 0, it is comes to 0. So only 6. So the hybridized orbital ratio is 8 for hybridized orbital. Pure orbital is 6. So it is a 4:3. So the ratio is 4:3. Next example. Ethylene CH2 double bond CH2. Double bond is there. Here CH double bond CH. Already I told you if it is double bond means sp2 hybridization. Choose this carbon. Around how many you see, how many atoms are attached? 1, 2, 3 atoms are attached by this carbon. So what? sp2 hybridization. 3 atoms are attached. Less 1 you say sp2. So 1 from sulfur, 2 from p orbital, totally 3. So for this sp2 and sp2, 2 sp2 carries 3 plus 3, 6 hybridized orbitals. Then step 2, number of bonds other than carbon-carbon bond plus 2 into number of pi bond. Our CH bond alone to be calculated 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 plus 2, pi bond is only 1 into 1 pi bond. It is equal to 6 because 4 plus 2, 6. So this is a pure orbital is 6. The ratio of hybridized orbital is to pure orbital equal to 6:6. That is nothing but 1:1. This is the way to find out the ratio of the pure orbital and a hybridized orbital. And next example, C2H2, ethine. I have given for a triple bond. So I have given single bond, double bond as well as triple bond. No confusion in example. So have a conviction and then you find out the very good answer. So CH triple bond CH. Here it has a 2 pi bond, 1 sigma bond. So here it has a 2 pi bond. Here triple bond means already I told you the hybridization is sp. Triple bond sp, double bond sp2, single bond sp3 hybridization. Mind it, single bond carries sp3 hybridization, double bond carries sp2 hybridization, triple bond carries sp hybridization. Here the other than the carbon-carbon bond 1 and 2, we have 2 and plus 2 into number of pi bond is 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So here the pure orbital is 6. The hybridized orbital is 4. So here 4 is to 6, nothing but 2 is to 3. Next example, benzene, C6H6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. These two carbons are double bonded. These two carbons are double bonded. These two carbons are double bonded. Almost all are linked with the double bond. So here sp2, 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 sp2. Double bond sp2 hybridization. So in this hybridization, other than carbon-carbon bond is how many? Let us see this. So here first one is here sp2 1. Start from the top. 2, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 3, 18. So hybridized orbital is equal to 18. So now let us see the pure orbital. Number of bonds other than carbon and carbon. Other than means CH bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2 into number of pi bond. 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bond. 2 into 3, 6 plus 6, 12. So pure hybridized orbital is 12. So here 18 is to 12. So 3 is to 2. 3 is to. Thanks for watching, students.